Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our Breo box unboxing for spring of 2026. I am super excited. This box is so much bigger than the last months have been, so I'm super excited to dive in and see what's in here. There's only one thing that I know for sure is in here, and I'm so hyped about it, and I'm super excited to see what else is here. So let's go ahead and dive in to this massive box. I do also want to say a huge thank you to Breo Box for sending this to me and letting me share it with all of you. I'm such a big Breo Box fan and I'm just so hyped. So let's see what's in the box. The packaging is always just perfection. So up on top we have a QR code with all of the information. So I'm going to go ahead and scan that. Now I have it pulled up. Up on top, I'm seeing the Carson Fully Adjustable Flexible Neck Ultra Light Book Light. This is just a clip that you clip onto books and it will illuminate the page. This is a $12 value. What's interesting about this is that you can stand upright so you can use it on your desk as well. And it is super lightweight, fully adjustable gooseneck, so you can clip it to anything. So that's great. That's definitely useful. I am an audiobook person. I'm not really a physical book person, but I know a lot of people in my life are. I just actually had a really good idea for this. When I am doing my nails, I need like direct light on my nails, which that'll probably be a today thing. And so maybe this would be perfect to just have sitting right next to my nail center and just kind of like illuminating on my desk. Because right now I just don't really have great lighting. And I often end up using my phone flashlight. So this is probably a better option. So $12, very practical. Oh my goodness. Oh, I actually have something from this brand. I have a couple things from this brand. So this is the Renpho, and this is the LS1 Smart Body Scale. So this does a full body analysis of 13 different composition indexes: your weight, your BMI, your body fat, fat-free body weight, subcutaneous fat, visceral fat, body water, skeletal muscle, muscle mass, bone mass, protein, basal metabolic rate, and metabolic age. That's crazy. How does it even know all these things? You can hook it up to your phone and you can set different goals so it'll sync with different apps, and you can have unlimited users. Oh, that's cool. So both me and my husband can use it. Interesting. That's really cool. I actually have an eye massager from Renpho that I really like. So I have high hopes for this. This is a $25 value. That's actually a lot more affordable than I expected it to be. You just step on it in seconds, it will deliver precise readings. That's really interesting. I'm very fascinated to mess around with that. Okay, this is the 12 South Power Bug, and this is a magnetic wireless charger. Oh, interesting. So I'll put a picture up because this is going to be kind of hard to see. Looks like you like plug it into an outlet and then you can magnetically attach your phone to it so that it'll charge. I feel like this will be really nice like in the bathroom when I'm getting ready and I want to like watch something on my phone. I can just kind of like plug it into the outlet on the wall. That's really interesting. You can fast charge 2 devices at once with wireless and full power USB-C. Oh, so it's not just wireless. It can be a charging dock too. I haven't actually seen anything like that before, but that's pretty cool. This is a $50 MSRP, so that's pretty good. Would also probably be really good for traveling too. I feel like anytime I go anywhere, somebody that I'm with forgets a phone charger, so having a magnetic option as well is great. Okay, this is Greater Goods All-in-One BPM. This is the Greater Goods All-in-One BPM. It's a $60 MSRP, and it tracks blood pressure and pulse, and it'll sync to your phone. Oh, that's actually super helpful for me. So I don't know if I've talked about this a lot, but I actually have POTS, which is posterior orthostatic tachycardia syndrome. And it basically means like I just have really bad blood flow. And so blood doesn't get to my head and it'll make me dizzy. And in some cases, not for me, but for a lot of people that have it really bad, it can actually make them pass out. So I have to be very careful with my blood pressure. So I actually have a Ringcon ring to track my heart rate and, you know, my sleep and stuff like that. But it doesn't track your blood pressure. So this would be really cool, and then I can just send the results to my doctor, so when I go talk to her, she'll have a full picture. So that's actually really cool. I feel like that makes me feel kind of old, but I'm excited about a blood pressure monitor. So guess that's where I'm at in my life now. And then this last thing is the rest of the box. If I can get it out. Okay, you know what? I'm not gonna take it out of the box because you're not gonna be able to see it anyways. But it is the Greater Goods cold press juicer. I am a juice girly. I love a good fresh squeezed juice. If you are ever in Texas and you go to Juice Land, I am jealous of you. It is one of my favorite places in the whole world and it needs to expand across the country. But since I don't live in Texas, now I can make my own cold press juices. This is a $129 value item, which is crazy. I am super excited. My husband and I have a juicer and we did kind of splurge on it, but it was not $129. So this is probably way better than the one that we have. So it uses cold press technology to squeeze more vitamins, enzymes, and flavor out of every fruit and vegetable that you feed it. It runs so quietly, you can juice while the house is still sleeping and compact enough to earn a permanent spot on your countertop. It looks super fancy. It's also super easy to clean. One button to start, one button to stop. No clog filtration, keeps things flowing. Runs under 60 decibels. That's really interesting. I am excited to see because I feel like juicers can be so loud. Like if you've ever walked into a smoothie place, it kills my ears. And my dog, since I have a German Shepherd, she hates any kind of like appliance that makes loud noises. So she is not a fan of our juicer. So I'll be really interested to see how she reacts to this one. That will be really fun to play around. So that was everything in our box. That's pretty good. This is a solid box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Yes. So we have that juicer for $129, which is crazy. We have the blood pressure monitor for $50. We have the book light for $12. We have the power bug for $50. And we have the Renpho Smart Body Scale for $25. So I will put the total up here because I'm not going to do that quick math in my head, but that is a pretty solid value. And these are things that are super practical. I feel like this is a stage of life that I'm in of trying to be very healthy, trying to lose weight, but also trying to just do it in a healthy way. I'm always keeping track of my blood pressure and my health, so that's exciting. Going into the spring and summer with fruit season, I'm super excited to have this juicer. That's gonna be amazing. This is super practical. I am honestly super excited about this. In the kitchen, this is really smart in the kitchen, actually. I think this is probably where this will live in my house. Putting it on the kitchen, and then you can have like a YouTube video or a recipe pulled up on your phone, just like magnetized to the wall. That's really cool. And then a book light that I think will be either for nails or maybe crafting. So this is super practical. I'm gonna get great use out of this. I mean, a lot of this stuff, like this scale, I'll probably use every single day. I probably should use the blood pressure monitor every single day. So this is really exciting. I feel like this was a really good box and I'm really excited about this stuff. So if you are interested in trying Breo Box, this one is still available, but it does look like it's gonna sell out. So be careful and get it while you can. I do have a code that will save you some money, so I will put that down in the description box below. Thank you so much again to Breo Box for sending this to me and letting me try these things out and share them with all of you. I am super excited and always so grateful when brands choose to partner with me. And thank you for coming and hanging out with me. As always, I appreciate having you here, and I really hope that you choose to stick around and subscribe so I can see you in the next video. If you do, I will see you then, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!